Hi, my name is David York. I am President and CEO and co-founder of CHE Consulting. I wanted to talk to you a few minutes today about maintenance services value. In today's industry, we are being confronted with a lot of pretenders rather than contenders. Right now, we're looking at, in the industry, companies that are being bought out, other third-party companies that are being bought out by venture capitalist firms that are putting bids together that are very super low. These particular bids cause great concern to true companies like the company that my wife and I have founded, because it takes money and it takes a true value to provide the quality of maintenance services that our customers expect. We have ranging customers from government customers with very demanding specifications and SLAs, and we also have very demanding Fortune 100, 500, and 1,000 customers. And each of those customers expect a service quality and a service value that they have either enjoyed with the original equipment manufacturer or that they expect would be equivalent to the original equipment manufacturer. That takes time, that takes money, and that takes resources. The value that CHE provides is similar to that of the original equipment manufacturer, in that if the original equipment manufacturer has remote monitoring capability, CHE provides remote monitoring capability. And we do that for IBM products, tape, disk, and mainframes, as well as EMC products. And EMC products, we've developed our own value proposition called EPET. And EPET takes the place of EMC's intellectual property rights, or what they deem their intellectual property rights to be. CHE trains its own technicians, and we have our own training programs, and that brings a value about that each customer expects. They expect each customer would have an expectation of having a trained technician that not only knows antiquated equipment, but also knows new technology equipment and different methodologies of repair. One of the biggest value propositions that CHE provides that many of our competitors do not provide is that of parts. Parts are provided to our customers to provide them the security of knowing that they have a part available when it is needed. And we stock those parts based on what you contract with us from an effectiveness level of 93% to 90% if you're at a 7x24x2 or a 7x24x4 proposition. And we, CHE, pride ourselves in meeting guarantees. In other words, if you tell us that you want a 2-hour response time, we will guarantee a 2-hour response time. If you tell us it's 4 hours, we will be there within 4 hours. We will either meet or beat the expectation. If you require a repair time stipulation within the contract, CHE, unlike our competitors, are willing to step up to the plate to provide that particular infrastructure and guarantee a repair time through the parts, the intellectual property that we provide, and those things. I'm just going to tell you simply that buyers need to beware of firms that are in sheep's clothing, that are actually wolves, that are there to put your IT assets at risk. Your IT assets are the reason that many of you, make money. They are your life's bread in support of your customers and support of your employees. And you don't want that risk. When you see a price that's super low, that has no things that would equate to an original equipment manufacturer's quality as it relates to parts, personnel, diagnostic tools, remote monitoring tools, or even help desk infrastructure, right? If you see that those things are not there and the price is so low that you can't believe it, then I'm going to tell you right now, buyer beware. Venture capitalist firms are trying right now to take over the third-party maintenance industry, and they're trying to prop up a bunch of companies that they have purchased from across the United States of America, right, to go public so that they can get their payday. They no more than a man in the moon care about your IT assets. Here at CHE, we're in for the long term. We're 17 years old, and we listen to our customers and provide our customers precisely what they want. We give you a value proposition, and we provide you service that is simply better maintenance services at a fair price and a fair and respectable level of profit. And we thank you for your time and your consideration.